Hello everybody, I'm Xander from Fun King 3D. Welcome to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. This week, I've got a snake in my boot.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
Before I tell you about this week's model, I would like to ask you all to do me a favor and click the subscribe button and turn on notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Now, this model is RATTLERZ Snakes That Really Rattle by Daniel P18 on Thingiverse. There'll be a link to it in the description below. This model was printed on the Robo3D R1 Plus using CCTREE PLA with a 215 degree nozzle, a 60 degree bed, and a 0.2 layer height. The articulation with this model is amazing. The way I printed it was the full model as it was designed. The designer also has individual pieces to make it as long as you want. And that depends on the size of your printer. As I stated in the beginning, this model rattles. The designer suggests putting small bits of filament in the tail, but I took it a step further and put BBs in there. You have to put them in around 60 to 70% complete. I chose this model because I really like articulating prints, and I'm really excited about how well this articulates. I had to work the joints when I got it off the heat bed, but if you do it slowly and carefully, you won't have any problems. Thank you for tuning into this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Until next week, as always, print on. Hey everyone, so what do you call a snake wearing a hard hat? A boa constrictor.